Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz, and this is Brian O'Neill. We're here at the CCI R&D Center in Tampa, Florida, here to show you one of our latest CCI Grille overlays. Let's go. In my hands is the GI165. It is constructed of automotive-grade ABS plastic and designed and manufactured to fit over and into this specific OEM grille. This grille here is for a 2018 to 2019 Toyota Tacoma SR/SR5. The CCI Grille overlays install using pre-molded clips that are all over on the back side. There's multiple clips throughout. Brian, show us how easy it is to install.
Sure. Just line your grille up. Press firmly to allow all the clips to engage. And wipe all your fingerprints off.
As you can see, no drilling, no bolting, no cutting. It'll take Brian longer to wipe off his fingerprints than it did to actually install the grille overlay. The grille overlay instantly changes the appearance of the grille, as you just saw. If you install one at a dealer level, it also upgrades the trim level package appearance of that vehicle. For additional information or to see more, visit us online at coasttocoastinternational.com.